Okay, we're going to venture into the grabbing world, grabbing qualia, grabbing and picking. We're first going to start with a little picking in the space, little picking in the space, far away from you and close to you. Little picking, picking, picking in the space. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult. It does not want to get picked. And sometimes, it really does want to get picked. It's very loose. So these can be little seeds, little fruit seeds that you are picking, floating in the air. And from the seed, maybe a blueberry. So the fingers, index finger and the thumb, now picking blueberries, floating in the space. And getting a little bit bigger, plum. Still with the two fingers, picking the plums. Picking the plums. Picking, picking, picking. All around you. Picking, close to your body. Picking, picking, picking. Orange. With the whole fingers, with just the fingers, picking the orange, picking the orange, picking the orange, picking the orange. Grapefruit, whole hand. And sometimes, maybe it is not so heavy because it's dry, perhaps. It's a light. It is a light grapefruit. It is a light grapefruit. Bigger watermelon. So we're using more of the surface. It gets gradually bigger. Watermelon. Picking the watermelons. Picking the watermelons with your arm until we get over to the pumpkin. Large arms, picking a large pumpkin. Maybe it's heavy, and maybe it's light. The picking, nonetheless, the large pumpkins. And what I do often is I put what I call synthesizer knobs on basically everything I do. Everything that has two extreme points, like a binary, I put a synthesizer knob on there to facilitate transition. So let's try this transition from this large pumpkin and transitioning over to this watermelon, over to this grapefruit, over to this orange, over to this plum, over to this blueberry, over to this seed. You see the transition? The transition. Everything gets gradually larger as if we are shifting in the parallel realities. In one parallel reality, maybe it was watermelon, and another parallel reality, it was a pumpkin, but we were not satisfied in being in one reality, so we decided to shift between these realities. And so we have this shifting fruit in this grab world.